my back driver's side tire keeps going low on me. It's got a slow leak. It's annoying having to put air in it all the time. So what I'm gonna do on my days off, which start tomorrow, I'm going to remove this wheel, take it to a tire shop, or patch it myself. In the meantime, actually right now, this tire's not even on the ground. If you see that right now, that tire's off the ground. I could remove that right now, just with a little bit of uneven ground. But what I'm gonna do here, I got some scrap wood from the building we just had put up. I'm gonna pull this trailer up on to that block of wood, and then I'll be able to take that rear tire off without having to jack it. All right, so I had to get a couple rocks because it didn't want to go up over the 2x8, but got the front tire sitting on that 2x8, which will be fine. The other side is on the ground. I'm going to disconnect the trailer, and now my tire is off the ground by a couple inches, and that's an easy way to jack your trailer when you got a double axle. Alright, now I'm gonna bust the bolts off of this tire, take it to the shop, and get that leak fixed. Got this bad boy out. If you don't have one, get one. It's a beast. Thing has no problem. There we go. Park up on a block like that. Tires off, no jacking. Throw it right back on. Good to go. All right, just threw my tire back on. There's an inch of clearance there. Just got the lug nut started, had a hole in the tread. They patched it, and I had to get another tire replaced, put on my spare. So I got this turned down on the Milwaukee to the 3 setting. You put it on the 4 setting, it's just way too much torque. Make sure you, even this is a lot. Let's see here. It's hard to do this one-handed. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and run these down, and then I'll hook up and just drive off of the wood. All right, job complete. No jack involved, way easier.
Till they feel turn those roads, let's see, let's go, yeah, plan to the end of the